Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get Ingot Arborum in Windrose. Now there are some sequence of discoveries that you are going to have to do for you to be able to make the Ingot Arborum. At the very least, over on your discovery, you need to have unlocked the Cursed Swamp because one of the key materials that you are going to need is the Essence Arborum, which you can get by smelting down plague wood. Once you've made Essence Arborum of your own, you can then make the enchanting table, and this is the most important one because inside the enchanting table, you can then make the Ingot Arborum. If you take a look over here on the enchanting table, to make the ingot, you're going to need 1 piece of Mire Metal Ingot, 2 pieces of Essence Arborum, and 1 piece of Tainted Bile. Tainted Bile you can get from Plague Crocodiles, and of course the Essence Arborum from Plague Wood, and Mire Metal Ingots you can make inside the large smelting furnace, and let me show you where it is. Now inside the large smelting furnace, you can make the Mire Metal Ingots over here with the use of 2 pieces of Ancient Scrap and 1 piece of Quagmire Powder. Once you got everything done, press down the craft and it should just take a couple of seconds. And once it's done, just press F to take it, and then you should have your very first Ingot Arborum, as you can see right here. And that's pretty much about it on how to get Ingot Arborum in Windrose.